Welcome guys back to another video. Today we will make a $1,000 PC build. Could play anything, 1080p, 1440p and even 4K. Who thought? Literally AMD just made a GPU, well, we all know it, RX 9660, only $350. Play any game at 4K. I don't know, should I say PC gaming today has become cheap or something? Like an actual affordable 4K PC build? That's impressive. So today let's start the build and let's stop yapping. For the CPU we will get the, here it is, the Ryzen 5 9600X. Why? Zen 5 3.9 GHz, 6 cores, 12 threads, and a boost of, wait a sec, 5.4 GHz. That's ultra impressive. For only $200, that's pretty good. For the CPU cooler, we can't go wrong with the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE. It's just the cheapest while being the best. It cools anything. Like, you can't go wrong. And for the motherboard, I went with the ASRock. Wait a sec, bro. I just forgot the name. Oh my god. It was not, oh my god, I forgot the name. Let's say my motherboard knowledge is pretty good, but my motherboard names knowledge are pretty bad. So it was Pro A Wi-Fi. Here it is. Okay, why did I choose? It is a B850, and if you don't know, the B650 AMD might discontinue them. Actually, they might already have discontinued them. So I don't know why it was the best, but the ASRock B850M Pro A Wi-Fi chose micro ATX. We save money. It got a Wi-Fi, and the heatsinks are not that bad. The 9600X will not make that much heat. For the memory, and what was the cheapest, 32 gigs, which is the Silicon Power 6000. Here it is, the Silicon Power Value Gaming. Here it is. If you want to go all white build, get the Silicon Power X Power. I went for the Value Gaming. 5 stars, 30 CL rating, 6000 megahertz, 32 gigs, the cheapest, and man, you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong with that. So for the storage, I went with the Silicon Power UD90 1 terabyte. Again, 1 terabyte PCIe 4, 5 stars, and it is the cheapest. Like, I don't know why, how the heck does Silicon Power, I love you. Actually, I love you. Now it is time for the video card. Okay, RX 9060 XT. Alright, I forgot. Wait a sec. 16 gigabyte. Why the heck is this $600? Whoa, 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 whoa. Excuse me? Nah. So, I went with a new unknown brand, Sapphire Pulse. If you want to go SFX or the ASRock Challenger, pay $3 more. But the Sapphire Pulse is okay. And if you want to go with 3 fans, cause better cooling, you could go. But the boost clock is better. Though, and it's pretty much won't do that much of a difference. So I went with it. 16 gig, play any game at 4K. Well, you have to use upscaling for demanding games, I know that. Yeah, but not a lot. Okay, yes, I know. This is a 1440p dog. But you can play any game, okay? Now I went with this case. Why? Cheap, that's the first thing. Rated 4 stars, that's good. 3 fans, I have 3 or 4 fans. You can't see the other 3. And I know the motherboard is micro ATX. The case is ATX. I know that, but we don't care about aesthetics. We don't care about the looks. We care about the performance. Who's with me? We only care about the performance. I don't care if it's ugly as fuck. And okay, I will cut this for the video. I don't care if it's ugly. I don't care. I don't care at all. At all. The performance. I rather have a 4K PC that's more uglier than, I don't know, the ugliest fish in the world. But performance over everything. And I went with the MSI Mag A650BN. It got 5 stars and tier C-. I know that, I know C-, but C is okay. 650 because this only uses 350 watts. I don't know. So 650 is plenty. 300 watts extra. So just want to say something. How does AMD make damn good? Yo, Sapphire Pulse RX 9660, 16 gigs. Okay, all of that. You could play 1080p, 1440p, even 4K. And you know how much watts it uses? You know how much? Let me just check. Yield 170 watts for that monster. AMD is cooking, but they're losing it because Nvidia is now having cheaper graphics card. So AMD might have to, what was it called again, to step up and make it more cheaper, because the 5070 Ti is not the same price as the RX 9070 XT while being better. So okay, that was the video. $1,000. Oh, I forgot to show you the price, guys. I'm sorry. $1,002. You okay? So $1,000, 4K, pure performance, no aesthetics, no aesthetics. So that was the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe so I could start live. I need 50 subscribers. I want to know Who said you need 50 subscribers to start live? I don't know. I literally like last, I don't know what is it. It was Tuesday, and I tried to do live 50 subscribers. What do you mean? So you don't want me to talk with my audience, which are like 4 views? I don't know. So subscribe so I can start live. Comment what should I do next, and goodbye. See you in another video. Hello guys, it's me from the future. The reason I made this video, I forgot to say, join the Discord server. I will leave it on the description and the comment, but it won't from it's the link. It won't be in my, oh my god, it won't be from my account, you know, my YouTube account, the channel. It will be on another account called I Am Him. For some reason I can't comment with my account. And join the Discord server, please join it, and don't text. I don't want to see one online which is only me. Please join the Discord server.